Honesty is a valuable trait that helps us to build trust and respect with others. It means telling the truth and being
Truth and
truthful
truthful.
in our words and actions. Actions in this chapter we will learn about the importance of honesty and how it can
Benefit
benefit us in all
aspects.
aspects of our lives.
His mistakes. Promised. Lie again. Being honest is shining. Dark. It see clearly.
अधिकरण भोरे संबोधन अल्प विराम
संज्ञा या सर्वनाम के जिस रूप के द्वारा वाक्य की क्रिया से सीधा संबंध जाना जाता है उसे कारक कहते हैं। कारक के 8 भेद होते हैं: समकरण, प्रदान, अपरण, संबंध, अधिकरण, संबोध। कारक चिन्हों को
विभक्ति विभक्ति
भी कहा जाता है। संज्ञा सर्वनाम लिखित चिन्हों व्यवहार क्रिया से संबंध प्रकट करते हैं। कभी कभी इनका लोप भी हो जाता है। शब्दों को अक्षर से अनुसार प्रयोग करना भाषा ज्ञान का द्योतक है। वाक्य के अंश को
वाक्यांश
वाक्यांश को छोटे छोटे रूप में लिखने के लिए ऐसे शब्दों का उपयोग किया जाता है जो एक शब्द में व्यक्त किए जा सकते हैं।
प्रभावशाली दधीची महापुरुष महापुरुष
दधीचि उपकार करने वाले एक महापुरुष थे। दधीचि उपकारी महापुरुष थे। और दोनों वाक्यों का अर्थ समान है, किंतु दूसरे वाक्य में काम शब्दों में वही बात कही गई है। उपकारी का अर्थ है उपकार करने वाला है। एक ही शब्द में सीमित करके वाला शब्द अंश के लिए एक शब्द उपयुक्त दोनों वाक्यों का अर्थ समान है, किंतु दूसरे वाक्य में कम शब्दों में ही बात कही गई है। उपकारी का अर्थ है
उपकारी।
उपकार करने वाला, अतः वहाँ कुछ अनेक शब्दों के लिए एक शब्द दिए गए हैं। इन्हें
कंठस्थ
कंठस्थ कीजिए।
15 14 13 12 नहीं आती? कहाँ तक आती है? 9 की सुनाओ। Fifteen, 14, 13, 12, 15, 14, 13, 12,
यह सलाह दी कि अगर राजे की पूरी धरती को समय से किया जाए तो दूर से बचा सकते हैं। उन्होंने यह सलाह राजे को बताई। राजे को यह बात ठीक लगी और उसके देश सभी चमकारों बुलवाया।
A few days later, Arnav's broken pieces while cleaning was disappointed and asked again. Felt guilty, confessed the truth. His mother explained,
him that
lying
on
only makes things worse. Honesty always best policy. Sundarpur, there
There lived a young boy named
Arnav,
Arnav was not
known
known for
his
his
cheerful
cheerful natural
nature
nature and helpful
attitude.
attitude.
However,
He had one
bad habit
habit that one
often
often
got
got
him into trouble.
trouble. He
Sometimes
sometimes
told lies, avoid difficult situations. Bad. A few days later, Arnav mother found broken pieces while cleaning. She was disappointed and asked Arnav again. This time felt guilty and confessed the truth. Explained lying only worse. Honesty always best policy. Arnav realized his mistake, promised never to lie again. Being in a small village named Sundarpur, a young named Arnav, known for his cheerful nature, helpful attitude. However, often got him into trouble.
He had one
Bad habit
habit that overthinking
often
got him into
trouble
trouble means something
sometimes
sometime
told
line to
guys avoid
avoid
difficult
situation on
one
one
sunny
sunny morning. Arnab was playing in the garden when he
accidentally
broke
broke his
his mother favorite
vase.
was
Village name Sundarpur. There lived young boy named Arnav. Arnav was known for
Arnab was known for his cheerful nature and helpful attitude. However, he had one bad habit that often got him into trouble. He something
often got him
tries to avoid difficult situations. One sunny morning, Arnab was playing in the garden when he accidentally broke his mother's favorite vase. Scared of getting
scolded,
scolded, he quickly
hid the
hid the broken piece and decided not to tell everyone. When his mother
asked
about the vase, Arnab lied and said he didn't know anything about it.
valuable trait that helps us to build trust and respect with others. It means telling the truth and being truthful in our words and actions.
He sometimes told habit that often got him into trouble. He sometimes told
Lies
lies to avoid difficult situations. One sunny morning, Arnab was playing in the garden
when he
accidentally broke his mother's favorite vase.
was
Was scared of getting scolded. He quickly the broken pieces and decided not to tell anyone. Then his mother asked about the glass. Arnav lied and said he didn't know anything about it. One sunny morning, Arnav was playing in the garden when he
Accidentally.
accidentally broke his mother's
Favorite.
was scared of getting scolded. He quickly filled the
Broken.
pieces and
Decided.
decided not to tell
Anyone.
anyone. When his mother asked about the vase, Arnav
Lied.
lied and said he didn't
No.
know think about it.
बस जाओ.
Later we will learn
About the
about
importance.
importance of
Honesty.
honesty and
How.
how it can
Benefit.
benefit you in
Us.
us in all
Aspects.
aspects of our lives. In a small village named
Sundarpur.
Sundarpur, there lived a young boy named
Arnav.
Arnav. A small village named
Sundarpur.
There lived a young boy named Arnav. Arnav was now born with cheerful, natural and
Nature and.
helpful attitude.
However.
However, he had one bad
Habit.
that often got him into trouble.
Trouble.
He sometimes told
Lies.
to avoid
Difficult
difficult
situation.
situations.
Okay.
He was
Disappointed. Asked. Arnav. Again. Explained. Him.
that
Lying.
line
Only.
only
Makes.
makes
Things.
things
Worse.
what and
That honesty is always
always
the best policy. The best policy. Bet-
Scared of
Getting.
golden
Scolded.
holding he quickly
Hit the broken pieces.
and did not
Decided.
not to
Tell.
anyone. When his mother
Asked.
about the was Arnav lied and said he
Didn't
didn't know
anything.
about it. A few days later, Arnav mother found the broken piece file greatly
Cleaning.
cleaning
Bas.
his
disappointed,
Surprised and Arnav again this time Arnav
felt
pointy,
guilty,
and
confessed
confessed the
truth,
to his mother,
explained
explained to him that
lying,
only makes things worse, and that
honesty, always
always the best
policy.
policy.
Village named Sundarpur lived a young boy Arnav was known for his cheerful nature, helpful attitude.